Hi, 8th grade. This is actually probably going to be a very simple week for you guys. For my lesson for today, Wednesday, April 29th is today. Monday you did lesson 1 and we looked at comparative and superlatives. Today I skipped to lesson 4. In chapter 22, we're still in chapter 22, but I skipped 2 and 3 because like I said, those are ones that I really honestly need to be hands-on with you, and it's just not going to work. So I skipped to lesson 4 in chapter 22 because it's basically turning nouns from singular to plural. So it's a spelling lesson, really is what it is. So I put the vocabulary in there. I put your etymology. I also gave you some sentences to diagram because I think that's going to be it is really helpful to you. I know that you're like, oh, I won't have to diagram sentences ever again, but I don't know if that's true. So on page 615 in your Shirley English textbook, there are rules listed for turning singular nouns plural. So for instance, taking beach and making it beaches. The word computer and making it computers. You're literally adding an S or an ES. Now for regular nouns, there are 8 rules. I'm not expecting you to memorize all 8 rules, but I would like you to at least look at them and acknowledge the fact that there are a lot of different words. There's a lot of different ways to make words plural. There's not just one simple way to do it. And then, of course, like in all English, there are the irregulars, just like with the comparative and superlatives. There are irregulars for plurals as well. So words like woman to women and moose to moose, goose to geese. There's irregular ones all over the place. So take note of those as well. The dictionary can really help you out a lot, guys, or something as simple as spell check, or you're doing this on the computer, you could just look on there and make sure that you have the plurals correct. So it's really page 615 and 616 that have these. They're very simple and straightforward. I think I have 10 in the Google form that I give you for tomorrow. And that's about it. And then next week we will start a writing project. So spelling lesson, like I said, child to children, man to men, those are the irregular ones where you actually have to change the complete spelling. And then there are the ones from, like if they have an F, like wolf to wolves. Okay, you have to change the F to a V and add ES. So there's all those little nitpick ones here and there. There's usually groupings of words like that, like knife to knives, wife to wives, wolf to wolves. So there are a few that you can kind of see like, oh, this is a group together, and then the Y to an I and add ES, there's the group together. The ones that are consonant Y and then you just leave them, or sorry, vowel Y and then you just leave them, like turkey. Turkey, you just add an S, you don't add EIES. That'd be weird. So it's really a spelling lesson. It's not very long. It's not very hard. It's a pretty light week for me for English. So yeah, good luck.